Okay guys, today is October 1st and my annual PT prep season has officially started. So here's everything that I'm going to be eating every day for several months. My test is in March. I might take it in February just to get it out of the way, but I'll be dropping about 30 pounds between now and then. So if you want to follow me on my journey, I'll be posting everything on my channel. And here's everything I've got for those months. Okay, so here's all the food I'm gonna have. I'm gonna start off with, eggs and toast in the morning with vegetables. I've got a lot of vegetables. Here's all the seasonings I'm gonna have. Mustard honeys with the cottage cheese I'm gonna have at night. Got vegetables, rice. Here's the proteins I'm gonna have. It's just gonna be chicken and ground turkey. I'm gonna have pistachios with my lunches as a healthy fat. I've got avocado that's gonna go with my chicken dinners, and then every morning I'm gonna have apple cider vinegar, fish oil, and CLA, and then I'm gonna have fish oil and CLA again before bed, and then I've got my protein powder for after workouts, and then I've got my almond milk that I'm gonna mix with my protein, and I'm gonna have, I don't really like cottage cheese, but I'm gonna have one of these before bed along with a little bit of honey. And then the rice is gonna be for my lunches and my dinners. Vegetables is gonna be every meal, half a cup to a cup. And then I've got these sauces. So I'll be having Frank's Red Hot, and I couldn't find sriracha in the store, but I've got some at work, I think. So I'm gonna have either Frank's Red Hot or sriracha as my sauces. And then I've got this for my eggs, and then I've got my mustard that I might have with my lunches, my turkey lunches or my chicken dinners. And then I have crushed red pepper and pink Himalayan sea salt and pepper for basically every meal. And then I'm only gonna be drinking water and black coffee if I have coffee. So when I drink my water, sometimes I'll put some Mio Energy in it, because there's nothing in this. I've been having this for years, maybe like 10 years. There's basically nothing in it. I don't know if you can see that. No calories. It's got a little sodium. It's got some B12s, basically all the B's. And if you want to follow me on my journey, I'll be dropping, like I said, about 30 pounds between now and March. And this is all the food I'll be eating every day for several months. All right?